Today I'll show you how to get the Castle Crush mod menu for iOS and Android, completely free. A safe, step-by-step overview so you can unlock all cards and enjoy unlimited gold and gems. This mod menu, often called Castle Crush Double Plus Plus, gives you powerful in-game options like unlock all cards, unlimited gold and gems, free summon cards, and more. And I'll explain what to check before you install. Before you begin, make sure your Castle Crush app is updated to the latest version in the App Store or Google Play to avoid compatibility issues. Back up your progress or link your account so you don't lose any data, and never share your login credentials with third parties. I've pinned the exact download link and detailed installation notes in the top comment below this video. Open the pinned comment for the source and the full instructions for both iOS and Android. Follow the steps there carefully and read the safety tips I included to minimize risk. Watch the short demo in this video to see unlimited gold and gems and the unlock all cards option in action. If you run into any issues, leave a comment and I'll help troubleshoot the most common problems. I pin the most helpful replies and answer questions regularly. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Castle Crush tutorials and mod updates, and tell me in the comments which feature you unlocked first. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the download link and installation notes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.